Every year, Newburyport celebrates William Lloyd Garrison's legacy on his birthday with a lecture from a well-known author, historian, or public speaker about Garrison's life and how it is still relevant today. This year, the talk is The Gospel According to William Lloyd Garrison, Anti-Racism and the American Truth. It will be given by Edward Carson, the Dean of Multicultural Education at the Governor's Academy, and a leading organizer and activist in the greater Boston area. Carson will discuss Garrison's relevancy in 21st century issues like voting rights, critical race theory, and black political thought. Join us in person on Friday, December 10th, 2021 at the Old South Presbyterian Church in Newburyport at 7 p.m. For more information or to watch live, go to lecture.porthistory.com. This year's lecture is made possible through the support of the Newburyport Preservation Trust, the Newburyport Daily News, Old South Presbyterian Church, and a grant from the Massachusetts Humanities Bridge Street Fund. Presenting partners include the Museum of Old Newbury and Amesbury's Imagine Studios.